Hi, this video recording focuses on how to use IxNetwork to generate custom packets. To generate any custom packets, the first thing you need to do is click on the traffic item and use layer 2-3 quick flow groups. But before we do that, let's add some offline ports. So let me go back to ports, click on add ports and add offline ports. Since I don't have a chassis connected here, so I don't have physical ports to work with, so I'm just using offline ports. And once you build your configuration using offline ports, you can add the physical port at a later point as well. So let's go ahead and add 2 ports. And so here are 2 offline ports. Now let's go back to the traffic and then click here. This is the quick flow group. This allows you to craft the packet of your choice, and it also gives you a lot of granular control. So once we have our flow group created here, I will go ahead and click on the edit flow group, and these are some default parameters in terms of the frame size and what's the line rate, and if you want to generate continuous packet versus the burst of packet or the packet for the fixed duration. And you can play with all these parameters depending upon your test case requirement. However, I want to focus more on how to craft a custom packet. So in this case, what we are going to do here is click on the packet editor, and then this is our basic Ethernet header. And if I further expand it, you can see here is our destination MAC and source MAC, and you can put in any custom value of your choice. Also, you can increment or decrement so that you can generate multiple packets with the different source and destination MAC. So that's that. For the sake of simplicity, I'm just keeping it as a single value. And so this is our basic Ethernet header. On top of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add L2 CFM header. So to do that, you should click here to the add protocol to frame, and then search for CFM. I had already searched for it, so you already see it. So click on the CFM and hit OK. And when you hit OK, you will see that under the Ethernet header, you have a CFM header. You can further expand the CFM header, and you will be able to see all the subcategories that CFM offers. And all these fields are tweakable, and you can manipulate the way you want. And specifically under the CFM header, we have a choice of either DMM or LMM or any other headers of your choice. So for example, I can select DMM, and then you can tweak further parameters for the DMM. So it's very flexible, it's very granular, and it will let you craft the packet of your choice. And once you craft the packet, you can also go to the packet view, and you can see the hacks of it, as well as how the packet looks like on the wire. So this is how you create custom packet. And once the packet is created, you can hit the start button to generate the traffic. Now, for example, if you have created right now DMM, if you want to create LMM, all you can do is right click here, and then you can duplicate the selected quick flow, and I want to replicate one more copy of it, right? And so this is the copy. I can click here and edit the flow group. So this is my second copy. And now here I can go to the packet editor, and inside the CFM header, I can select, instead of DMM, for example, we can select LMM, and then it will give us further option to tweak more parameters inside the LMM. So this is how you can craft custom packet using IxNetwork. And so now you have two streams. You can send these streams at a simultaneously. You can change their frame size, you can change their rate, and few more parameters. So this, and so here under the transmission, maybe you want to send one as a continuous packet, and then the other stream as maybe for fixed duration, and then fixed duration can be a specific second, um, and all these parameters. So this is how you can craft a custom packet using IxNetwork. And that concludes this video. Thank you.